Congratulations to the cast and Sian. Congratulations. Kay Dylan, Dylan, may kababa kasi malapit na ipalabas yung Project Loki and then iniisip mo ba kung paano tatanggapin ng mga supporters ng Project Loki yung character mo bilang si Loki?
Yeah, hello po. Thank you for that question. Yes po, syempre meron pong kaba. I think it's normal din to feel every time na may bagong project or may bagong show or may bagong work. Nandun yung kaba. But at the same time, since alam naman namin lahat na each and every one of us is doing our best, nafe-feel namin yung excitement din. So nababalance ng kaba and excitement. And sobrang excited din, sobra. We're looking forward talaga sa airing. And ayun, sana matuwa ang audience, matuwa ang players, matuwa lahat ng mga manonood sa Viva, sa Signal, and even sa TV5, sa television. So, yun, I'm very excited, and we're all excited for sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Great, maraming salamat po. Now, our TikTok content creator, let's hear from World of Drones. Over there in the right corner.
Ayun. So, good afternoon everyone. My question is for the offer. Congratulations kasi this series looks something new to the Philippines. So, sa mga international na series na parang ganito, nakaka-hook talaga siya. So, I'm very excited for this one. So, for the offer, for the cast to get to know their characters more, did you do a one-on-one on them to get to know their characters, their motivations?
I think the first thing that I did regarding their portrayal or their interpretation of the characters is to give them the character sheets based on the book. So they would know kung ano yung background, personality, appearance, and role in the story. So kahit na hindi nila ako makausap, meron silang parang written guide kung ano yung character nila. Next is, I think, if I remember correctly, nung cast reveal, nagkaroon ng session with after the event, nagkaroon ng session with the actors and then, medyo impromptu yun, pero I gave them some bullet points or insights regarding their character. Like, I remember telling someone here na you are the most important piece of this puzzle, so everyone's looking forward to your performance. So, ayun, they are free to interpret the characters the way they want. And kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Karen kanina, the actors here added layers doon sa characters. I think that is a good thing kasi yun nga, nabibigyan pa na, naka-flash out pa lalo. And maybe in the books, I wasn't able to do that, but in this adaptation, I think that we will see more fleshed out characters with their backgrounds explored and their personalities expanded.